In today's video, we're diving into the big question: Hostinger versus WP Engine. Which is better for you? Picking the right web host can feel like scrolling endlessly through Netflix. Too many choices and that nagging fear of picking the wrong one. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which hosting provider deserves your trust, your money, and most importantly, your time. We'll cover everything from pricing to features to performance, security, and support. So let's get started. Oh, and before we get rolling, quick heads up, some links in the description are affiliate links. That means that if you decide to sign up using them, I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And with that in mind, let's get started. Why Hostinger and WP Engine? I get it, there are about 1 million hosting options out there, but Hostinger and WP Engine keep popping up as the go-to choices. Here's why. Hostinger is the budget-friendly champ. It's like the Target of web hosting: affordable, versatile, and reliable. WP Engine, on the other hand, is the premium player. Think of it like Apple: polished, professional, and focused entirely on WordPress. Now, the question is, do you go for budget-friendly flexibility or high-end specialization? Let's break it down step by step. Plans and pricing. Is cheaper better? Okay, let's talk money, because who doesn't love saving a buck, right? Hostinger's plans start at an eye-popping $2.49 a month. Yep, you heard that right. Of course, you'll need to commit to 4 years to get that price, but honestly, even their month-to-month rates are reasonable compared to most competitors. And they give you 2 free months if you go for their long-term plans. Pretty nice, right? Now, WP Engine, whole different story. Their entry plan starts at $25 per month, and that's with annual billing. Sure, you'll get 2 months free if you pay up front, but let's not kid ourselves. It's a lot more expensive than Hostinger. Monthly billing is even steeper, and it adds up fast. Now, here's where it gets interesting. WP Engine has a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is pretty sweet if you're on the fence. Hostinger offers 30 days, which is still decent, but you don't get as much wiggle room to change your mind. So, is cheaper better? Well, if you're on a tighter budget or just starting out, Hostinger is the obvious choice. But if you're after top-tier managed WordPress hosting, WP Engine might feel like a smarter investment, if you can stomach the cost. Features. Who packs the bigger punch? Here's where the differences really start to show. Hostinger has everything you need: light-speed servers for super fast load times, free SSL certificates, SSD storage, Cloudflare content delivery network, a free domain with certain plans, and even automated backups. Oh, and let's not forget the one-click WordPress installer that makes this setup ridiculously easy. WP Engine, on the other hand, is more like a specialized tool. It's laser focused on WordPress and comes with premium goodies like the Genesis framework and over 35 StudioPress themes. If you're all about SEO and want your site to look polished right out of the box, these are gold. WP Engine also has features like Error Cache for optimizing performance and Large FS for handling massive files. But, and this is a big but, it doesn't offer domain registration or email hosting. For a beginner, that's a hassle. Now, Hostinger, on the other hand, is practically holding your hand. The free domain, beginner-friendly dashboard, and flexible hosting types make it ideal if you're new to the whole game. For me, that's a big win. All right, let's talk about performance. I'll say this up front. Both Hostinger and WP Engine are fast, like really fast. Hostinger uses Lightspeed Enterprise servers, SSD storage, and HTTP 2 to deliver some of the best speeds I've tested. Plus, they promise 99.99% uptime guarantee, which isn't just marketing fluff, it's legit. In my tests, Hostinger's load times were consistently excellent. Now, WP Engine is no slouch either. They've got multi-data center clusters, EverCache, a global CDN, and they're PHP 7.4 ready. Their uptime service level agreements of 99.95% and 99.99% come with credit-backed guarantees, so if they mess up, you get compensated. Performance-wise, WP Engine is designed for WordPress, so it's about as optimized as it gets. Now, if speed and reliability are your top priorities, you can't go wrong with either. But honestly, when you compare the cost to performance ratio, Hostinger is punching way above its weight class. Security. Who's got your back? Let me ask you this. How much do you value peace of mind? Hostinger takes security seriously, offering free SSL certificates, automated backups, two-factor authentication, and predictive server monitoring. They also use tools like BitNinja and Immunity 360 to protect your site from distributed denial of service attacks and other threats. And all of this is included in your plan. No extra charges. Zero. WP Engine, they've got solid security features too, but here's the catch. Some of their best tools like Global Edge Security and Smart Plugin Manager come at an extra cost. They're great if you can afford them, but why pay for what you can get free elsewhere? For me, Hostinger wins this round. Security shouldn't cost extra, especially for beginners who might not even realize that they need it. Support. Quick replies versus sluggish responses. Have you ever had to deal with bad customer support? It's the worst. Thankfully, Hostinger nails it here. Their 24/7 live chat is fast and actually helpful. They also offer email and ticket support, and if you want even faster responses, you can pay a little extra for priority support. When I tested their live chat, I got answers within a few minutes, and they were spot on. WP Engine? Not so much. Yes, sure, they offer 24/7 support via phone, live chat, and tickets, but when I tried reaching out, I hit roadblocks. Their email support was slow, and instead of answering my questions directly, they asked me to schedule a call. Seriously? Who has time for that? Hostinger support feels like having a friend on speed dial, while WP Engine feels more like dealing with corporate red tape. If support matters to you, and trust me it should, Hostinger is the clear winner here. So, here's the deal. WP Engine is fantastic for a specific audience, namely WordPress pros who want all the bells and whistles and don't mind paying a premium. If that's you, WP Engine is a solid choice. But for most people, beginners, budget-conscious users, or anyone who just wants a reliable host without all the extra costs, Hostinger is the way to go. It's affordable, packed with features, and beginner-friendly without compromising on performance or security. Plus, their support team actually gives a damn, which is huge. So, if you're still not sure, remember, both offer money-back guarantees. Try them out and see which one clicks for you. And hey, if you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to either Hostinger or WP Engine, you'll find my links down in the description of this video. I will greatly appreciate if you can sign up using my links. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.